Hello guys, in this video I will be discussing about how to write loop in SAP ABAP programming. So yeah, this part is not very easy for a beginner who wants to write code in ABAP. So in ABAP the most important part is how to write a loop, and also besides to define a loop, besides we need to define the structure, data elements, and yeah, so on. So in this video shortly I will be discussing about how to write a loop, and obviously I will be showing you on the system so how to write loop. Yeah, so suppose my intention is to write a loop you know in an internal table. Suppose so my internal table is IT table, and always whenever you are doing a loop you have to write this assigning and field symbol. You have to give the field symbol. You can also do by work area, but in this case I will be showing you by field symbol. So here as you are written that loop at internal table, so this table has to be defined. So how can you define it? So first that we need to define the structure. So to define the structure we have to write like this, begin of, suppose I'm writing a structure name like this, and suppose it has two fields, suppose material and suppose plant, and now I will do the end of this structure. Now I have to define the internal table here, IT table type standard table of TY table. So it means we cannot directly do the loop. We have to first define the structure, and after that we have to write like data and this. So in this way this internal table gets defined, so after that we can write it easily. So and suppose our plan is looping here. Suppose if I write a condition like where material is not initial and suppose I want to put this internal table data to some another internal table, so I have to write like move and fs, suppose table so this internal tables data will move to, suppose I want to put to some like ls material. So I'm putting this internal table data to some another internal table, so ls material to IT material, suppose. So just concentrate on this part. We are doing a loop on IT table, and then we are after that, so whatever material will match is not initial, those data will move to IT material. So it's a simple loop, but here one more thing that you need to notice, that we have written another internal table that is called IT material, and it's so we have to define the structure for that, otherwise this will give an error. So to define this structure again we have to write like types begin of, suppose I'm writing a structure like TY list, and in this structure I'm putting only field called material, and end of TY list. So in this way we can define this. Yeah, obviously we have to I think you can remember that here IT material that has to be defined. So in the similar way we have defined here, we can define this as well, like IT material type standard table of ty list. Yes, and one more, that we have not defined the field symbol up here, so we can define the field symbol like this. This fs table type ty table. Yeah, one more thing to remember here, we are doing loop here IT table, and its structure and the field symbol structure should be same with ty table, like here. And on the other side, the IT material, it is a new structure. We are taking the structure of ty list. It has only one field, that is material, and we did not define yet, that is the ls material. Yes, we can define that as well. So actually here ls material is working as work area. So how can you define this as well? So we can write again data and ls material is type of ty list. Yes, so in this way you can define a normal loop. And yeah, one more thing to be noted here, that we have written a loop at this. So how this how this table is getting data. So for that you can write another, suppose select statement, like select material, and from, suppose you have some system table like ABC, whatever as I call, so into IT table. So this table is a system table from where actually you are getting data into IT table. So now this IT table has become an internal table. Now you are doing the loop on this, and you are taking those are the materials from this table into another internal table, this IT material, and after that and so on. So you can write another code that you can do another loop on this. And so basically my intention was to tell you this, how to write the loop, and also its corresponding types and data type. Hope you have enjoyed this video. So have a nice day. Thank you.